Somebody's just in there talking to November 3 Papa Julia Golf.
Well, QSO, I'm happy to be here when we first contact today. If you're going to have noise, might as well be from Montana, QSO.
Is he from Montana? I'm going to have to try to get this guy. Okay, well, thank you very much. My name is Mike India Kilo Echo, and I am mobile in Vermont. You're about a 2x2, 2x2, over.
Okay, 2x2 is mobile in Vermont. Alpha 1, Papa Romeo. Thank you for answering that.
Yeah, there's some QSB. What is your call sign? Over.
Okay, my call sign, call 7 Delta, Romeo. Kilo Golf 7 Delta, Romeo. And you're 5 and 5 in Montana.
Okay, thank you for the 5 and 5. Yeah, you came up to 5 and 5, so apparently the band's in and out. I just hooked up this 706 Mark II-G yesterday. You're my, 10th or 11th contact, but the first one on 10 meters in probably 15 years. I just been playing around with the digital modes like C4FM and DMR and D-Star, and I live in an apartment where I can't have any outdoor HF stuff and miss HF, and I said, you know what, I'm going to put this little 706 Mark II-G back in the Jeep. So anyways, I'll say 7-3, let you work some more. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And yeah, if you need a card for Vermont, I'm good in the bureau. Over.
Okay, QSL, I copied all of that. You're getting too good enough. A little fading up and down a little bit from a 4x2 to a 5x5. But you're doing the job with the mobile. 73.
Yeah, 73, and you came up to about a 5.7 that time. So 7.3, sir. Look for you again on the band somewhere. AA1PR in the mobile. That's pretty damn cool, Montana.